Friends, now we will write a program that will determine character is whether a character is a small letter or a capital letter. Okay, so we will see uh, how we can do it. First, we will see the difficult way, and then we will see the very easy way. Okay, so in programming, we can do a same thing in a very difficult way and in a simple way as well. Yeah, so let's begin. To solve the problem, what we can do is we can write if statement. If ch you see here, if ch equals to small a, then it's a lowercase. Ch equals to small b, it's a lowercase. And then we can do like this, a to z, from a to z, small a to small z. And then we have to write the program again, and we will start from capital A to capital Z. So we will have to write 52 times total. Yeah. Uh, so it's a very tough job for us. Okay. So how we can uh, make the problem easy? Okay. So now we will see the simple way. Okay. Friends, to solve the problem, we can take this operator. Yeah. This is called AND operator. So how we wrote the problem, you can notice here. Okay, so if we say if ch character, this character, if this character is greater than or equal to small a, greater than or equal to small a, and ch smaller than or equal to small z, then it's a lowercase. Okay, so if both the condition is true, then it will print it's a lowercase. Okay, otherwise not, if both the condition is true. Else if ch greater than or equal to capital A and ch smaller than or equal to capital Z, then it will print uppercase. So if we run this, you see, we will see uppercase. If you put here small b, then it will print it's a lowercase. Yeah, I think you've got the point. uh, Pause the video and type on your own. Yeah, and that's how you learn. Yeah, friends, now we're gonna see another operator. Okay, this is called or operator. So you see here or operator. So we are checking if the number is more than 1 or equals 1, or if it's less than 10. Okay, so see how we put the condition: number less than 1, greater than 1 or equal 1, uh, or number less than 10 or equal 10. Okay, so if this condition is true, print yes, else print no. So if we run it, you see, we see yes. If we put 50 here and run, it says yes. This is because what? This is because of what? And what do you think? Okay, friends, so we in this case we get yes as well. This is because of what? This is because it's it's checking these two conditions. Okay, so it's getting the first one true. Okay, it's or, so it's or operator. Okay, so if any of these two conditions is true, it will print yes. Okay, it's or, it's not and means both of the conditions should be true. Or means one of the conditions is enough. If one of the conditions is true, then it will print yes. I hope you understand the point. Okay, so let's go forward now. Friends, now we will write a program uh, where we will take a character, we will take a letter, and then we will check if it's vowel or consonant. Okay, so we know how many vowels are there, we know how many we know the only five, we have only five vowels. Okay, a, e, I, o and u. So I'm going to write the program and then I'll talk to you. Okay, you see, we have taken a character types of variable, and inside this we have put I. Okay, so we have to check like in this way, if ch equals a, or ch equals e, or ch equals I, or o, or u. This is because of what? If you do like ch, if ch greater than a or equal a, and smaller than u or equal u, if you do in this way, then all other letters like b, c, d, everything will be included. Okay, so that is why we'll have to take or operation here. Okay, or operate. Do you understand what I mean? I hope you do. Okay, so if we print this one now, you see we get I is a vowel. If you take like j, then it will say j is a consonant. Okay, so I hope you understand why we take and operator and why we take or operator. Okay, so thank you. Today, uh, no more. We're gonna learn no more things. Okay, so see you tomorrow, and uh, remember you will have to take you'll have to code your own, yeah, own code. Don't just watch and waste your time. Pause the video, code with me, and if you can implement something, or if you can do something of your own, mm, out of my lesson, then it's good. No problem with this. Thank you.